Today we are reviewing a pool cleaner by MOVA, and this is the A10. Now, for those who have followed me for a while, you know that this might be a little bit unconventional since most of the time I share content about phones and tech in general, so I think this still falls under that category. But the reason I'm doing this is because in this channel, I have my friend Yi host a series called The Upgrade. Unfortunately, today he is actually reviewing a different product, so I was given the task of reviewing this. So today we are reviewing the A10 pool cleaner, and I think for people who own pools or who have pools, know that it does require a certain amount of effort and commitment to actually maintain one. So this might be the perfect upgrade for you. So we're gonna check it out, but before that, I'm going to show you the different parts of this pool cleaner, and then we're going to drop it in a pool and see how well it performs. So thank you to MOVA for sponsoring this video. So here is the pool, and you might not be able to see it on camera, but it does have a little bit of debris and leaves on the surface. There are also some dirt that's underneath that would be the perfect test for this pool cleaner. So here is the A10. Now the first thing I want to do is make sure that this part is sealed. There is a rubber cover here, and this is where you charge it. So I want to make sure that that is sealed before we drop it in the pool. Oh, one more thing. The filter is here, and this is essentially what we empty out once it's done cleaning. And we can actually add an extra filter here for smaller debris, which is this one right here. So I just have to drop this in, have to just align it and drop it in, and we should be good to go. Perfect. Next step is just power this on by holding the power button. And it should turn green. There we go. Now these three symbols right here indicate the different modes that this pool cleaner can do. This is just, this one basically cleans both the floor and the walls. This one just the floor, this one just the walls. And yes, this pool cleaner actually goes up the wall, which is pretty cool. So the MOVA app actually unlocks a couple of other features, which is really cool. It's a lot more detailed, and it even gives you a work log right here. So what we're gonna do is simply drop this in the pool and then watch it work its magic, I guess. All right, so one of the cool things about this robotic pool cleaner is that it has no cords or hoses connected to the filter system. So it runs completely on its own battery and parks itself when it's done. The A10 runs on 3 brushless motors and pulls water at 6,000 gallons per hour. That's genuinely strong for a cordless unit at this price. And speaking of price, this is currently listed at $799. So it's not cheap, but it's also not the most expensive robotic pool cleaner that you can find. The dual spiral brush up front handles everything from fine sand and hair to leaves and algae. So far, I think even a single pass cleaning on the floor is pretty solid. In terms of battery life, a full charge gets you up to 4 hours in floor-only mode, or about 3 hours if you're running wall and waterline cleaning. The coverage tops out at around 1,900 square feet, which covers most residential pools. The filter basket holds 3.5 liters, which is large enough that you're not emptying it out every single run. So let's talk about the waterline cleaning, because this is where it kind of separates itself from the other pool cleaners. The A10 does 2 passes on the waterline instead of 1, and it reaches about 2 inches above the waterline. So if you've dealt with that gray ring of sunscreen and algae that builds up, you know how tedious that is to scrub manually. The dual pass system handles it without you touching it at all. As far as navigation and obstacle avoidance goes, it uses what MOVA calls Pool Navi. It's an AI path planning that runs an S, a star, or an N-shaped cleaning pattern depending on your pool shape. It has 6 sensors on board, and in practice, it doesn't just bounce around randomly like old robotic cleaners. It maps and moves with purpose. Using its obstacle detection, steps, drains, ladders, it identifies them and either climbs over small ones or under about an inch, or it just reroutes around larger ones. The edge pulse system uses magnetic guide wheels and Hall effect sensors to track along pool edges precisely. Corners and curves get actual coverage and not just a pass in the general direction. When you're not using the app, there are 3 modes that you can access through the robot itself. But through the app, you can unlock a whole lot more, such as floor only, wall only, full clean, tanning ledge, turbo floor, and a few more others. You can even schedule cleans, check cleaning logs, and switch modes remotely. I think the tanning ledge mode is worth calling out specifically since a lot of competitors don't handle shallow water shelf areas well. Okay, so now we're gonna go grab it and check out the filter and see how much dirt it actually was able to remove from the floor. Wow, look at that. That's a lot. It's a lot of really fine dirt that's on the floor. And even here, as you can see there. Okay, so now we just have to clean out the filter, and you basically just take it out and hose it down. All right, that was very simple and easy, even for someone like me. Considering how easy it actually was to use this device for the first time, that includes setting it up and just dropping it in the pool, and also basically cleaning it out as soon as you're done, I would say this is definitely a worthy upgrade if you have a pool. I think this is just one of those devices that you can schedule and have it run every so often to maintain your pool so that you don't have to keep cleaning it out. Now, it does only clean the bottom and the walls of the pool, meaning anything that's floating in the surface, this doesn't vacuum that. But for those, you can easily just use a net. You know, it's just like a really good way to maintain it and keep it clean all throughout the year. I think for $800, if I had a pool, I definitely would invest in something like this. Now, I know there are more expensive pool cleaners out there, but to be honest with you, I think for something like this, I'm not really looking for any other special features. I do like this handle. It's a nice design that makes it a little bit easier to just grab onto this, especially if you need to grab it from the water. I think it's also helpful that this is not as heavy because it makes it easier to just move around, especially if I were to gift this to someone who's a little bit older. I think this is a great device. I think I would consider this to be a worthy upgrade if you have a pool and you have not used any sort of robotic cleaner before. Thank you to MOVA for sponsoring this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again on the next one.